the new ArkPro flashlight in purple. This is the newest flashlight from OLIGHT. It has 3 modes and a laser pointer. So to turn it on, it's actually very simple. You have this dial right here, and this allows you to go from basically spotlight, floodlight, so flood, and then UV. Okay, UV is used to like see oil leaks and things like that. You also have the ability to put a laser pointer on. So if I have that laser pointer, I click this little button on the side and I have a laser pointer, right? And then you have the option to use a USB-C to get power into this, which I prefer, or you can use a proprietary magnetic OLIGHT charger there. It's really neat. It's got like kind of like this tiger stripe on this one side. It has a clip on this side. This is a front clip and then a back clip, deep carry. Very nice. It says ArkPro right there. And maybe we'll turn off the lights in here and I'll show you how you can adjust it. So when you click this, you turn it on and then you hold it. And as you hold it, it just brightens up. And I can go then to spotlight, brighten it up. And literally all I'm just holding down this button here. See that? So really neat. This is the OLIGHT flashlight, really nice. Oh, and my light, I guess, decided that demonstration was over. You also have the UV light, which can be used to detect all kinds of different things. That's just on here. And again, you have your low and high on your UV. It's actually pretty warm. But yeah, that is the guy right there. Very pretty. You have your battery indicator and then your brightness indicator on the one side and your battery indicator on the other. There you go.